You, come on. Yo, bro. Okay, first, come a little bit. Yeah, show them. Okay, okay. I'm wanna see car where this boy walk. Oh. Um, oh boy, how you take work this thing, I beg? How did you do this, bro?
So this is my talent in childhood.
Like you work this thing like this. How did you convert
I use fiber and plastic to convert it.
fiber? Okay, this thing is like fiber. I was thinking is this aluminium or iron.
Fiber.
Fiber, and you like painted it.
Yes.
What about the electrical work? Electrical work.
I wire it by myself.
You write everything yourself.
Yes, I made everything for myself.
Huh?
I made everything for myself.
What's your name?
My name is Wisdom
Wisdom.
from Imo State.
From Imo State. You are in Imo State.
Ngopala.
Which school where you go?
I went Polytechnic, Imo State.
Which polytechnic?
Imo State Polytechnic.
Umagwo.
No, Olo Polytechnic. Yes.
You're a graduate.
No, I have not finished.
Which level did you stop?
And one.
NT1. When you did this thing, did the electrical work yourself. Can you move?
You can see the engine.
Omo, na see wetin person do with a hand o. Are you sure this thing can move?
Yes, you can move.
Yeah, show us a little bit. Show us a little bit. Sure. Record that way. Like go back. Like this thing is actually moving by itself from the controller. Uh-huh. We take on now here. Man, this guy is great though. This guy is great, guys. Okay, you control it with this thing. Omo, this thing is real talent, man. This thing is fucking real talent. Fuck. What about your parents?
They are all alive.
They are alive. Do they know that did you do something like this?
Yes, they know.
Wow, man, this guy needs to go another level, oh. Seriously. You need to go another level. Okay, see what will happen there. You will give me your number. Sure, you have number. Yeah, I'm going to put it on this video so people can contact you. Maybe they're willing to help you with something. Do you understand? Alright, just say hi to my fans.
Hi.
Tell them your name, the school you said you went, and you like best here in Aba.
Yes, I based in Aba.
Okay, tell them your name and the school you said you went.
Okay. Hi. My name is Wisdom. Ofaja Wisdom. So I'm from Imo State. I went Polytechnic Imo State. Olo.
Okay, guys, if you think you can support him with anything, just DM me. I'll get his number and then communicate with him there. You can cut.